Well, this is just a very short video as a sort of addendum to construction of the harbour to show you the little replica of the boat that I used to have, Norsela. She was a Colvick Watson motor sailor, 34-foot hull, 11 metres overall, 4-metre beam, and a very lovely boat to live on and to travel around on, which I did a lot of. The model that I've made is just represents it because I'm not that good a model maker, and building it to scale of 00 or HO was a little bit too fiddly for my fingers, but I've done my best. I started out with this block of balsa, which I bought many years ago with something else in mind, but now it's coming to use. I've just painted the first coat on baby Norsela's hull, and there's the superstructure which is going to go on, but I've sealed that with PVA, and I'm just, when it's dry, I'll get that painted. I'll start on some of the fiddly bits now, and I've got the handrail to do, so I've put in the little stanchions, and I tried to cut the handrail out of thin hardwood, but it broke up all over the place, so I'm trying another way. I've got this blue wool, but it's a woven wool, very strange stuff, but I used it on another part of the modelling, and what I've done, I've dipped it into this pot of brown paint, and now I'm hanging it there to dry, and I'm hoping that it will go stiff so that I can then glue it to the top of the stanchions down there. And in the meantime, I've been working on the mast. There's the mast there with the boom, and the stern mast, or the mizzen mast I should say, is there, just drying off. So we'll see how we get on with that. Well, there she is, waiting for the rigging and the hand railing, but she's beside the wharf. Well, I've done my best, but at this very small scale and my limited model making ability, I'm afraid that's the best I can do. But it's got the handrails on there, and the name Norsela. So I'll put her on the layout now and see what she looks like. Well, there she is, sitting alongside the wharf, port side 2, which is the way that I preferred to go in because of the stern kicking round, and also it was directly opposite the exit door from the wheelhouse, so the sails are down where they used to be, and that's why I kept the genoa, or it was actually a Yankee sail, the jib, on this side of the boat, because I didn't have roller reefing. And before anybody makes the comment, I know it should be a red end sign up there, but I'm a Welshman, I'm proud of it, I'm in my home port, more or less, and so I'm flying the Welsh flag, a big one. Well, as always, thank you very much indeed for watching, and my next video will be when I've done a bit more of the detailing around the harbour, and go on a bit further with the bridge, and then also lifted it up to make sure it does still lift up without everything falling off. So anyway, thank you very much indeed for watching if you've got this far, and if you're new to the channel, Please subscribe, and I'll let you know when I've done part 5. No, this is part 5, sorry, part 6, which will be the final one for this project. So, goodbye all.